Yeah. Okay.
Click, sir.
Please.
Yes.
This is the
this moment where we have just launched the portal, particularly for registering themselves, working here in the state of Meghalaya. Well, friends, I think I would like just to tell you one thing. Why ultimately government made itself to realize one thing. The issue of labor license. Because see, all these years, up to 2020, everybody they get confused about the labor license. And all these years, labor license are being issued by the concerned district council. So in the year 2020, we had a meeting in my level. I called Advocate General along with Principal Secretary then, DP Alang. And I said, let us walk out. Let us find out ways and means to clear all this confusion that we have in the entire state. So ultimately, we came up with this act. And not only that, I'm so pleased to the members of the Legislative Assembly who ultimately unanimously passed this act. And the act now is in place and the rules is already in place. And we reached the stage of implementation. Of course, we already started implementing this act through the prescribed norms and the rules, but launching the portal is the next milestone that we have today. So I would like to just say, now confusion is over. Be it this council, be it the private houses, be it the government undertaking, or be it any concerned migrant laborers or workers, you don't have any confusion now because the authority lies with the state government. Then we in the cabinet recently we decided, okay, we thought of doing it online alone, but ultimately we found out that no, online also is required, and the modern world that we are living now, I think to make sure that doing business easily in any respective state, I think we need to also introduce online. So today, this moment, I'm so happy, and I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders, the private houses, private business houses, and then be it the contractors, registered contractors. If you want to bring in your laborers, migrant workers from outside the state, who fulfill those important information prior to registration, because they need to furnish their detailed information. Registration will not take much time. We'll be able to do it maybe hardly within 1 day or 2 days time. We'll be able to issue the labor license, so-called labor license. And I welcome the migrant workers. Be safe. Recently we had a very bad time. Recently we had seen the scene that has happened in southwest Khasi Hills, where one of the laborer was beaten up to death. So through this act, let me just tell you, through these rules, because all the provisions is already incorporated, I am sure all the concerned authority will take the whole responsibility. We need to take the whole responsibility. Once you register, one copy has to be sent to the police station, nearest police station or the jurisdiction, whatever, and then even to the local traditional headman or local authority. They need also to be informed how many laborers who duly registered they work in their jurisdiction. So we are doing this. We are doing this for the development of the state. We need the labor forces from outside. I think we have seen it during last year when we were fighting the COVID-19. Not less than 36,000 laborers left the state. And only in Pludi alone, I think thousands of crores of rupees project that we have sanctioned, order has been issued. So it gets stalled. We could not complete it because we don't have enough labor forces here in our state. So now we still need the labor forces from outside. We still need to import. But when I say importing from outside the state, we do that genuinely. We do that only genuine laborers, genuine migrant workers. Those who don't fulfill, who does not fulfill the requirement provided in the act and in the rule, they will be outrightly rejected.